And when Umar speaks, Wallahu ja'ala al-haqqa ala lisani Umar wa qalbi. Allah put haqq on the tongue and heart of Umar. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, لَقَدْ كَانَ فِي مَا قَبْلَكُم مِّنَ الْأُمَمِ مُحَدَّثُونَ. Verily in the nations before you there were people Allah used to talk to. They weren't prophets, but Allah liked talking to them. One is a muhaddis, one is a muhaddath. Muhaddis is someone who's Sheikh al-Hadith, mashallah, who narrates hadith, has learned hadith. Another is muhaddas, someone Allah talks to. And the Prophet ﷺ said, in the previous nations there were many such people. And if there is any such man in my ummah, then it is Umar. Allah used to put in his heart what Allah used to like. So when Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu decided to, and under his instructions, in his supervision, at his command, people established 20 rakat tarawih. So was that haqq or was that not haqq? Who is Umar radiallahu? He's resting with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Everybody came themselves. When the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam started preaching, many people accepted, many people didn't accept. In the beginning especially, few accepted. And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, anybody I presented Islam to, they all hesitated. Except Abu Bakr. The moment Rasulullah presented Islam, Abu Bakr, without any hesitation, without a second thought, accepted immediately. When people came in, mashallah, many people came. Hazrat Abu Bakr came, Hazrat Usman came, Saad bin Abi Waqas, Hazrat Bilal and others came. Rasulullah thanked Allah for everyone who came. But the Prophet said, Ya Allah, I want Umar. You know, many sheikhs, they come, mashallah, they become murids of a sheikh. Huh? You know murid? Someone who wants that sheikh, he's known as a murid. Someone who looks up to some sheikh. So as though, mashayikh they say, ulama they say, all the sahaba are murids of Rasulullah. Umar is murad of Rasulullah. Everybody came themselves, but Rasulullah begged Allah, Ya Allah, give me Umar. Ya Allah, honor Islam with Umar. Either Umar ibn Khattab or Amr bin Hisham. Abu Jahl. Allah accepted Rasulullah's dua in favor of Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab. And when Hazrat Umar became Muslim, Jibreel followed him. Ya Rasulullah, are you happy at the Islam of Umar? Yeah, I'm happy. Ya Rasulullah, all the angels are congratulating you on the Islam of Umar. Oh, they are happy as well. And when Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam left this world and was buried in his noble grave, then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu 2 years followed the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Then eventually after 10 odd years, Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu was martyred. And when Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu's body was laid to be buried, was waiting to be buried, Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu has narrated, this is in Mishkat as well. And as Abdullah ibn Abbas says, while people were waiting to bury Hazrat Umar, someone put their hand on my shoulder. And I heard them saying, Oh Umar, I always knew you would be buried here. Because on many a times I'd heard the Prophet ﷺ saying, me and Abu Bakr and Umar. Fa'altu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar. Dhahabtu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar. I went somewhere then with Abu Bakr and Umar. I thought and at Abu Bakr and Umar. Dakhaltu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar. Kharajtu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar. Me and Abu Bakr and Umar, me and Abu Bakr and Umar, me and Abu Bakr and Umar. So when Rasulullah was buried here, Abu Bakr followed him. I always knew, Umar, you will also be here. And Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu anh turned around and he saw he was none other than Hazrat Ali.
MessageTv. This is your channel.
This is your channel.